Hey guys, it's Ryan. If you missed class today on day 3 or Wednesday, March 14th, here's what you missed. We started with a warm-up. It looks like this. If you want to find the slides in the warm-up, all you have to do is you have to go to our Google Classroom, go to the About tab, and then we'll have the slide decks posted by week. You just find the correct week, and there it is. So the warm-up was, the question was about power. To answer this question, you'll need to also watch this video. On the next slide, it's a short TED Talk video. So that was step 1 of our day. Then we debriefed the warm-up and the activity yesterday, which is also about power. Then we went into a circle map activity, and you can read the instructions here, but basically the main idea or concept that's at the very center of the circle map is power. And then what we'll do in the white area is you'll write, there's instructions here that are a little clearer, what that means to you, and write all the words that come to mind as you're reflecting. So that's what's going to go in the white. And then in the gray area, what goes on there is personal connections to your understanding of power. So what makes you think, what personal experience have you had that makes you connect something like knowledge to power? So that's that. We did this on just a sheet of loose leaf paper. So there's no handout for this. You'll just do this on your own. That was the next thing we did. After that, we worked a little bit on our competency reflection. That looks like this. You should have it already. Your cultural responsiveness and your critical thinking. Really what we want you to know, what we want from you is honestly, like, what do you make of this? If you don't really know, tell us, I don't know, and that's okay. We're trying to see what you do know. The next thing we did was we started a film, and what we did was we used this graphic organizer. Let me find it for you, called I See, I Think, I Wonder. If you've had me before, this will be familiar. The only difference is for the first part, the very first thing in the very first part of the movie is a definition. So I just want you to write that there. Then from there, it's making an observation and connecting that observation with some sort of analysis. I give you some sentence stems here. And then Margaret and I also gave you some stems for your I wonder, based on what you see and how you analyze it or how you make sense of it. What's something you're curious about, or what's a question that you have? The film's really beautiful. It's on Netflix. So if you do not have Netflix, you will have to check in with us on Friday. We're going to screen it at 11. It's only 23 minutes or so. So we will screen the movie from 11 to 11:30-ish on Friday. If you missed it, if you do have Netflix, you're welcome to watch it on your own too. And then if you want a quick visual of what it looks like, the title of the film is Refugee. And you'll know you're in the right spot when you see this cover of this woman with a headscarf. And you can see we started it, but we did not finish it. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, find Margarita or I.